Alright, y'all, we back with another one. Mystery box. Let's see what we got up in here. Got a few. Oh shit. That pop race. Oh no, this ain't no pop race. I forgot this ain't no pop race, but this is beautiful though. We might open this at the end of the video, I'm not for sure. Alright, number one. Oh shit. Now what's that tape in? Got tape all the way around it. Let's see. Now you know what this is, right? Guess he just put some tape on there for no reason. But you guys know what this is, right? See that? See that? The symbol out there? Ooh. Yeah. The one that people want. It's the one that everybody wants in their collection. Let's take this off, man, so we can see it a little better. Like it came with the case, the protector. But yeah. That's fat. I like this one. Yeah, that's clean. Alright. You gotta know what this is right here, huh? Back with another one. Let's see, got that tape around there. Let's take that tape off. Can't see it, huh? Let's see. There we go. Oh yeah. It's one that people want to. If they missing it, I definitely got it. Badass bet right there. $2014. Yeah. Yeah. That's it for this box. Let's put these to the side. Let's take this off right here so y'all can see it better. There we go. There we go. That's beautiful right there. That Nissan Skyline. Beautiful. All right, so let's open the other box. We got two of them for you. We got two boxes for you. For you. Two boxes. This one's a little bigger. This one is a little bigger. This mystery box. I had to cover my address, y'all. Don't trip. See what's inside this mystery box. You can't tell me. That ain't beautiful. They should have had that puppy laid to the ground instead of having that little post right there. And the top comes off too. You see that? The top comes off. I don't know, man. I think the M2 might be better than Hot Wheels. What y'all think? Is the M2 better than the Hot Wheels? Oh, shit. Look at this one. Ooh. That puppy right there is beautiful. A square body. Yeah, see, they should have had it laid down like this one. Oh, this one still has the post on it. This one only has one. I don't know why it's like that. It's kind of weird, but yeah, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Got the license plate. 78 on there. Yeah. Yeah. We finna see. That's beautiful. But yeah. What y'all think? Which one's better? Oh, it's lower now. Guess it was just, oh no, that was kind of weird. It's flat now. But yeah, look at it. Which one's better? Which one would you take? which one would you take? The 73 or the 78? Alright, y'all. And which one you like better? Hot Wheels or the M2s? I don't know, I think the M2s are more like, I don't know, they just look better for some reason. They all got rubber tires and stuff, so I always like the big scale cars of M2. But or do you like this? Which one would you take? If you had a choice. This one? Or this? Or this? That's backed up. Okay, there we go. Guess I had to hit it down. I bet that boy look good with the top off. And it comes off too, so. Alright, y'all, this is it for this video. Make sure you like, subscribe. It doesn't cost anything to follow me. Leave a comment. Let me know what you like. You like the M2s better or the Hot Wheels better? Alright, y'all, I'm gone.